Hi everyone, this is Learning with Mr. Q. This video is part of a series on the FSA Mathematics Practice Test questions. These questions, they can be found if you do a Google search and just type in FSA Math Practice, 4th grade, you should be able to find these relatively easy. And so yeah, if you get to number 12 and you're not sure really how to find the answer and what the steps are, well, that's what this video is meant to do. It's just helping you go step by step to find the answer to the question. All right, so number 12 says, a rectangle has a length of 11 feet and a perimeter of 38 feet. What is the width in feet of the rectangle? All right, so there should be a few things that jump out at you. It's telling me there's a shape, but I don't see a shape. So when it says a shape in the word problem, it's a really good idea to draw it out. So I know I have a rectangle. All right, so it says the rectangle has a length of 11 feet. All right, so I'm going to just go ahead and write 11 feet for my length. And then it says a perimeter of 38 feet. So the perimeter is the measurement. It's the measurement that goes, let's do that, measurement that goes around the shape. All right, well, the entire shape has a perimeter of 38. So I just like to put that on the bottom. So the perimeter is 38 feet. And then it's asking me to figure out the width. Well, that's a missing measurement. Well, normally if I have that measurement, I won't have the 38 feet. And what I would do is add all the sides to find the perimeter. But this is one of those questions where I have a missing measurement, so I can't add what I don't have, right? I can't do 11 plus 11 plus W plus W, right? That you just can't do that. And so there's a three-step process to help you find the missing measurement, which is the width. Step one is to add the two sides that we do have. So we have 11 plus 11, which equals 22. All right, so that's step one. Now, step two is when you take the sum, which is the 22, and you subtract it from the total perimeter. So 38 minus 22. And we start with the ones. 8 minus 2 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then step three is when you take the difference, the 16 that we just found, and you're going to divide that in half, because the width has two sides. We want to make sure that we split that 16 evenly to represent both sides of the rectangle. So if I'm using my partial quotient strategy, I'm thinking of 2 times a number that gets me close to 16, and that would be 8. And so I write the 16 right there underneath that and subtract it, and I have a 0 there. And so my answer is right over here represented off to the side. That is what the width is. So we have the width as 8 feet, and so what I need to do is just come over to my grid response starting on the left hand side, write the number 8, go down and make sure I bubble in the 8 in that particular column, and you can leave the other spots blank or empty there. Okay, well, I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching Learning with Mr. Q.